In this video, we will learn how to upload signed documents to Google Drive from esignatures.io automatically. Alright, so e-signature is an application using which you can collect the electronic signatures on the contracts, on the documents, and I want that whenever the client signed the document which is created via e-signature, the same document should be automatically saved in Google Drive so that I do not have to save the each document manually here. And I'm going to create this automation with the help of an integration and automation software where esignature.io will be the trigger application and Google Drive will be the action application. And if you want to implement this automation in your business, just follow this video till end. So I'm going to share this affiliate partnership agreement with one of my client, and when he or she will sign that document, the document will be automatically saved in one of my Google Drive folder. And I'm going to do this by connecting these two applications with the help of an automation software, Pabbly Connect. You can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect. Now I will also attach this link in my description box. Now first you will have to create your free account from this button, and you will also get free task to test this automation in the free account. Now I was already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in. Then you will have to click on access now, and this is how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here exactly we are going to start creating our automation, our workflow. All right, enter workflow name here, provide any random name to your workflow. I am providing upload signed documents or contracts of esignature.io to Google Drive. Okay, click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever someone signed the document of esignature.io application, save the same document to Google Drive application. So basically we need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. So that is why in the first application I am going to search esignatures.io. Alright, and the idea here is I'm connecting esignature.io first with Pabbly Connect so that the data of the e-signature can be collected here as the webhook response, and I'm going to connect these two with the help of this webhook URL. Well, the instruction for the same has already given. You just need to copy this URL, go to your esignature.application, alright, esignature.io application, and here in the top right corner you will find the option of API key. You will have to click on that, and here exactly you will get an option of API webhook endpoint. I'm going to remove this existing URL and will paste the new URL which I have received now just from the Pabbly Connect. Okay, now click on save and you will see this URL will be saved. Account is updated. Now again come back to Pabbly Connect and read the instruction what it is saying. Alright, log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking to do a test submission, and here the test submission means basically signing the document. Okay, so I'm going to open a document here and I'm going to sign that document in front of you as a user, alright, so that the data can be recorded here. And this is the affiliate partnership agreement, and assume that I'm sharing it with anyone. Alright, let me even show you that document. Here is the preview. Alright, this is the affiliate partnership program which is actually in between ABC organization and the affiliate client. Okay, this is the name of the client. Alright, now the service is actually the providing the affiliate commission, alright, which is of actually $7,000. okay, $7,587, and this is the whole document. Let's close it, and I'm going to publish this document and will get the link. Alright, here is the link of that shareable contact link. So let's copy this link and let me open this link in the incognito window, and I'm going to sign this document as a client, alright, as an affiliate, and you will see what will happen. Okay, so if you want you can write anything here, okay, as an affiliate, or Okay, this is the whole document, and I'm going to directly click, basically directly check this box and will sign. Okay, assume that dummy user is the name of the person, basically my name. All right, okay, who is going to sign this document? And secondly, it is asking for the email address, and because it will actually send the verification code, so let me share the email address as well. Okay, and assume that I'm having this particular email. This is my email address. All right, okay, click on send verification code, and I'm going to fill the verification code. All right, so I have actually got the verification code. Let me fill it, 112643. But before I sign this document, let me first show you. All right, this is the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, and it is actually waiting for the webhook response. And once I will sign this document, you will see the magic. Okay, let me sign this document first. Okay, thank you for signing the affiliate partnership agreement. Let me go back to Pabbly Connect and let me show you. Yes, the response is received as soon as I have signed that document. That means our connection is working absolutely fine. And let me even show you the details. Okay, this was the email address of the signer. This was the name of the signer. All right, let me even check other details. Well, this was the contract title, affiliate partnership agreement. Let me even show you other details, basically the document. Well, where is the document which we are about to save to our Google Drive? Well, I have actually not received the URL, basically the PDF of that signed documents. So from where exactly I'll get that document? So we will have to actually fetch that PDF document which we would like to save to Google Drive. And how and from where I'm going to get it? Well, again, you will have to search for esignature.io in the action application, and here you will find an action of, let me show you, action event of get the contract details. Once you will click over here, click on connect, and this time I will choose the existing connection because I have just made the connection with esignatures.io. Let's use the same existing connection. All right, you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the contract ID via which we can actually fetch all the details. So let me show you where is that contract ID. You can see here is the ID, and with the help of this ID only, I will even fetch the other details of the same contact, the very same contact which we have just signed. All right, so I don't need to copy that ID and paste it here. Read the instructions, enter text or map data. So I'm going to map the ID from this drop down, insert data from previous step. So we can simply fill that data directly from this drop down. Okay, where is that contract ID? Here is the same. Okay, I have selected. Again, click on save and send test request and wait for the response. And yes, the response is received and you will see the details. Let me even show you again. We have all the details and we were actually looking for this contract PDF URL. All right, let me show you. Let me copy this URL, paste it in a new tab, and let me even show you that document. Well, it is the same document. Yes, affiliate partnership agreement. It is the same document which I have signed with the name of dummy user on this particular date. All right, so the connection is working absolutely fine and we have received all the required data. Now we are going to save this document to Google Drive, but before I create this particular step, basically I upload the documents to Google Drive automatically. I'll tell you one more important thing. What is that? Well, we have actually set the webhook URL globally in this application in esignature.io. Let me show you. All right, this is the API section and this is the webhook URL. What does that mean? What exactly that means? Well, it means that whenever there will be some activity. Well, why activity? Let me again show you. Well, because our trigger event was, let me show you. The trigger event was signer contract activity. So whenever some activity is going to happen here in eSignature, the data will be fetched up here on this particular URL, basically on this particular URL, basically on the Pabbly Connect. And I don't want to fetch each and every document from eSignature to Pabbly Connect, and then I don't want to save it to Google Drive. I want to save only few documents, basically those documents which are actually signed by the signer. So I will have to define this condition in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that is why in the plus section I am going to choose the filter here. Okay, and with the help of filter we are going to set this condition. Well, filter are the features of Pabbly Connect, very interesting feature. And here you can see filter option, and we will set the condition here. And I'm going to set this condition using this status. Let me show you. We have actually received the response, and here whenever the status is equal to signer signed, then only this automation should proceed. Otherwise it should not proceed. Otherwise it should not save the other documents in my Google Drive folder. Okay, so let's come here and signer signed status. Okay, I have already selected the status is equal to signer signed. Okay, you will have to write the exact term, otherwise your condition will be true in the other cases as well, and unnecessary the document will be saved to your Google Drive. Okay, so signer signed. Well, let me show you. Let me cross check once again. Yes, signer signed. I want this exactly. Okay, click on save and send test request, and this time you will see the condition will be true. Why the condition will be true? Because the condition which we have set up here is actually available here, actually exist here. Yes, the document which we are receiving is actually signed by the signer. Okay, this is how you can apply the filter, you can apply the condition. And now finally I am going to save these documents to Google Drive. Okay, so click here, search for the Google Drive. All right, Google Drive. And in action event, I will choose upload a file because I want to upload a file to a specific document. Click on connect. Click on add new connection, connect with Google Drive. Now provide the access of your account in which your folder is actually created and in which you would like to save the documents. I have provided the same. Now click on connect, and don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe, and you will see the authorization will be successful and your Google Drive account will be connected. Now it is asking you the URL which is actually required. Enter the public file URL to be uploaded, and the maximum file size is 50 MB. Alright, so enter text or map data. So we are going to map the URL which we have received from this get contract details step, and you will see the URL. You will find the URL, basically the PDF URL. Simply click here and you will see the URL will be mapped here, and whatever the values I'm going to map in this automation will be replaced automatically, will be changed automatically as soon as the new data arrived. Okay, this is the power of this mapping, power of this automation. Okay, and this is how everything will work in the automation. Now it is asking for the folder ID. Enter the folder ID here. You can get it from the Google Drive folder URL. Example is this. Okay, let me show you my Google Drive, and this is the folder which I have created, all documents signed via clients, and you will find the ID exactly here. This is my folder and the ID of the folder is exactly this. Copy it, paste it here, and this is how this document will be stored in this particular folder for which we have provided the ID. Now it is asking for the file name. Basically files will be saved by the same name in your Google Drive. So I want to save the file with which particular name? Well, I want to map it because I want to change this particular name with every new value. So how about I first keep the document name and place a hyphen, and then I will map the email ID of the person so that my name, the file names will be unique. Alright, so this is the document name, this is the email ID of the person. Now you will have to also provide the extension in last .pdf as per the instructions. Read the instructions. Please include the file extension with the file name. So this is actually the PDF file, that is why I have provided PDF, but if your file is actually the video, you can provide the extension for the same, which is mp4, and this is how you can provide the extensions accordingly, basically according to your file type. Now let's click on save and send test request, and you will see the data will be stored here. Let me check for the document. Let me first wait for the response. And yes, you can see the response is received. Let's go back to Google Drive, and yes, the same document has also arrived here. Let me open and cross check, and yes, it is the same document, affiliate partnership agreement. Here are the details. All right, dummy user was the signature of the person, it was the name. All right, admin, well, I was actually the admin, and here are other details. So this is how now onwards, whenever someone is going to sign a document created via e-signature, that document will be automatically saved to Google Drive with the help of Pabbly Connect, and you do not have to do anything manually. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect and everything will work in backend. And because this trigger is actually instant, everything will work instantly. And since we have applied a condition also here with the filter, that whenever the documents which we are receiving is actually the signed by signer, then only this automation will proceed, then only the documents will be saved automatically. One last thing, I will attach the link of my workflow in my description box. So in case you want to clone the whole setup into your account, basically you want to clone this workflow, you can directly do this from the link, and you can simply click on this link and clone the whole setup, basically the whole workflow, into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.